Welcome to 424 South Main Street, Lapel, Indiana. Enjoy the perfect blend of cozy town living and unique rustic charm. This 3-bedroom and 1-bathroom home features a massive, full-length covered front porch with log styling, a bright bonus sunroom, and a large, fully fenced-in backyard. Located within easy walking distance to downtown Lapel and the Frankton-Lapel community schools. Appliances included: refrigerator, electric stove/range, plus an in-unit washer and dryer. Laundry, dedicated private in-unit laundry room. Heating and cooling, central electric air conditioning, ceiling fans, and efficient gas forced air heating. Recent updates: freshly maintained exterior with clean carpeting in bedrooms/living areas and durable laminate in the kitchen. Parking and storage: detached 1-car garage with automatic opener and integrated workshop space, plus a spacious concrete driveway. Lease details: utilities. Tenant is responsible for all utilities: water, electricity, gas, and trash. Pet policy: pet friendly. Strict limit of 2 pets maximum.